The endocrine system is a network of glands and organs that use hormones as messengers. These hormones are chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream. The hypothalamus is a part of the brain. It is the bridge between the nervous system and endocrine system. The hypothalamus releases hormones to the pituitary gland, which is a part of the endocrine system. The pituitary gland receives these hormones and distributes them to other endocrine organs. There are two types of hormones. The first type are direct hormones. Direct hormones can act by themselves without the help of other hormones. For example, insulin. Insulin activates cells to increase glucose transporters. These glucose transporters increase the rate of glucose transport from the bloodstream into cells. This decreases blood glucose levels. The other type are tropic hormones. Tropic hormones need to activate other hormones for them to work. For example, adrenocorticotropic hormone activates another hormone known as cortisol. Cortisol then acts on cells to increase the rate of glucose out of cells into the bloodstream. This increases blood glucose levels. In this example, adrenocorticotropic hormone is a tropic hormone because it only acts to activate another hormone. Cortisol is a direct hormone because it directly increases blood glucose levels and doesn't need to activate another hormone. Hormones need to be regulated. If cortisol was constantly released, it could cause health issues such as high blood pressure. That's why it's important to have a mechanism that shuts off hormones. The most common mechanism is known as negative feedback. Negative feedback is when something later in a pathway inhibits something earlier in the pathway. In this example, corticotropic releasing hormone causes the release of adrenocorticotropic hormone, and adrenocorticotropic hormone causes the release of cortisol. When there is sufficient cortisol, cortisol begins to inhibit corticotropic releasing hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormone, which decreases the amount of cortisol. This is known as a negative feedback loop and is found in almost every endocrine pathway.